Welcome to the 2024 Dirtastic main event presented by Fly Racing. Make this weekend yours. If you're doing sessions, if you're doing group rides, if you're just here to have a really good time and ride, whatever you're here for, have fun. That's the number one thing we ask.
Just teaching people body positioning, how to get up the hill, how to get down the hill safely, how to effectively use your brakes. Seeing how excited they are when they actually make it to the top of that hill is what keeps me coming back.
Much better. Okay. This is my third main event, and I just love sharing my knowledge that I learned the hard way, and I want to share it so people can learn it the easy way. But you're doing good on the balancing. You even took that inside foot off, which I like to see that.
To have an all group of females who can relate to each other just creates a safe space for learning, for progression, and we really push each other and vibe off each other's energy. I've had the best day. I did fundamentals this morning, and now we're in a really fun group ride, and Heather's leading it. She's so awesome, and I just love riding with a bunch of girls. It's the best.
You got it, yes, love it,
Every year the party just gets like a little bit different, a little bit crazier.
It's not always about the riding, it's about the connection, because we have something in common. We have dirt biking that brings us together, and that to me is at the core of Dirtastic.